So this video is to describe another field that needs to be mapped before you can do taxi reporting. And this time we're looking at element 329. So element 329 has been moved from what was on the course enrollment record to now the scheduled unit record, and it's now using the method of delivery of the scheduled unit. So element 329 has basically been remapped to meet more with more in line with the government standards on the scheduled unit details, with the field known as method of delivery. So if you come down here, it's now been remapped to this field here. And as we know that this field is for those who don't know, this field is actually a code item and a code, based on a code type. And the code type is method of delivery, and these are the items underneath it. So to look at the values that these can be mapped to, we need to actually go to the taxi Himes help area, and then under taxi resources, you go to 2020 reporting requirements, and then you click on the element specifications, and this document here will appear as a PDF. And as you can see, this is element 329. These are the current valid options, and I'm going to map the internal mode of attendance value to a value in Paradigm. So we come back to Paradigm, and we now just do system search code type. So if you've got access to the system area, you can do this, search code type, and we know it's the code type is method of delivery. So I'm just going to type in method, and method of delivery is one of the ones that comes up. So here's my current method of delivery, and I'm going to map on campus to code item 1. So you simply just type the code ID into the field and do a save. So if you now have a look, code is internal mode, which is on campus for us. So I've mapped that. So now every time you submit a unit enrollment where the scheduled unit is set to on campus, we will send to taxi the code 1 for element 329. And on our data framework, element 329 is found on the unit enrollment. Right there. Okay, so that concludes this video. I hope it helps.